Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about the chapter electricity. As you can see that the first question, what is electricity? This directly encounters the topic, what is electricity? What do you mean by electricity? Electricity is the presence and flow of electric charges in one direction. Okay, I have drawn a wire for you. So if you connect a battery across this wire, you will see that you get the electricity in this circuit. Okay, now normally what happens, there is some equal distribution of plus charge and minus charge throughout this wire. When you will connect this battery across this wire, the charges, the negative charges, these charges, those are distributed equally in this wire, will start flowing from one direction to the other, that is from the negative electrode to the plus electrode, in this sense, in this direction. Okay, that results in the electricity. So this electricity is always unidirectional, that is it has got only one direction. Now question number 2, what is an electric cell? Now this cell, do not get confused between this cell and the cell that you learn in biology. An electric cell is a device, this is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Understood? So this electrical cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Suppose you have got the battery that you use in your regular torch bulb, in your electrical torch bulb. The battery that you connect there, it has got some stored chemical energy which is converted into electrical energy. This chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, it has got two electrodes, positive, that is plus, that is denoted by the plus, and the negative, that is denoted by the minus. Now, what is primary cell? You can see that we have first defined electric cell. Now we are talking about primary cell. So this is clearly a class of a type of cell. A primary cell is an electric cell which cannot be recharged after one use. That is, you can use this type of cell only once. Okay, the battery that you use in your electric bulb, that not in those regular LED bulbs. I'm not talking about those LED bulbs. In other sort of electric torch bulbs, there, after one use, you have to throw the battery. It cannot be used, it cannot be recharged. Mind my words very carefully, I am not talking about the LED bulbs. Okay, the stored chemical energy in the primary cell is converted into electrical energy, and this change is permanent. Okay, these cells are also called disposable cells, because after using this cell, you have to dispose this cell. Acha. So I have already given the example in here. Okay, now what is secondary cell? This is the cell that we usually encounter in our daily life. The electric cell that we see in the LED bulb, that is an example of secondary cell, because you can recharge it. So you can see that these cells are rechargeable. A secondary cell is one that can be electrically recharged after use by passing current through the circuit in opposite direction to the current during discharging. When the electrical cell is discharging, the current flows in a certain direction, as we have seen already in here. When you connect the battery, then the current starts flowing in a certain direction. Now if you want to recharge this cell, you have to connect this cell into a source through which the electricity will be moving in opposite direction, flowing in opposite direction. That is how you can recharge these secondary cells. Okay, so batteries used in cars are also examples of secondary cell. Okay, now what is an electrical circuit? An electrical circuit is a path or line through which an electrical current flows. Suppose that the circuit that I've drawn earlier, I'm drawing the same circuit over here. There may be some resistance over here. Now, if you connect this battery across this resistance, what will happen? Some current will flow in this direction. Current will flow in this direction, right? I. Okay. So this is the path through which the current flows. So this is the circuit. This entire arrangement is called the electrical circuit. Okay. Acha. Let me give you the assignments. What energy conversion takes place in an electrical cell? So this is we have already discussed in this video. Acha. Suppose an electric bulb is connected to an electric cell and switch. You have to draw the circuit diagrams for switch on and switch off conditions. Okay, This is a very interesting assignment that I've given you. Try to do it on your own. Thank you. Take care of yourselves.